So good morning, children. This is Vedugopal for Little Hearts Publications with English Book 3, a poem in page number 27. I like to go up in a swing. I like to go up in a swing. It is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. What is the poet's name? Robert Louis Stevenson. Do you know the meaning of a swing, children? What is a swing? When you are a small kid, a small child, your mother used to keep you in a cradle and used to rotate like this or swing like this. Now, if you look at the picture there in the textbook, you can understand the meaning of a swing. A wooden board to which on either side two long ropes will be tied, and that will be tied to two different poles or two different hooks by which you can sit there and you can move front and back like this. This is what is called swinging. Moving up, back, front, back. This is what is called swinging. So, when you sit in a swing, of course, everybody likes to sit in a swing and move up and down. That's what is called, I like to go up in a swing. So when you go up in a swing, what can you do? You can go up to a long distance there. From there you can see many things around, which you may not be able to see when you are sitting in the same place. You go up in a swing and come back again. And go this way, up again. Again come back and go up. So let us see what the poet wants to convey through this poem. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air, so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. So when the swing goes up, automatically it comes back again. So what is the poet trying to say here? What is the pleasantest thing that a child can do according to the poet? The pleasantest thing for a child or that a child can do is to go up in a swing. Do you also like to go up in a swing, children? How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air, so blue. Up in the air, so blue means here the blue sky. When you go up like this, the swing goes up like this, you just look up like this, and what do you see there at the up? That is this blue sky. Up in the air, so blue. Do you like to go up in a swing like that or not? Of course, everybody likes it. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. The poet says, it is the pleasantest thing that a child can do. What is that? What is the pleasantest thing that a child can do? Going up in a swing, up in the air, so blue. Pleasantest thing means most enjoyable thing that a child can do. The thing that the child enjoys the most, that is going up in a swing and looking up at the blue sky, up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. Up in the air I move, the swing moves, and over the wall it goes till I can see so wide. That means I can see a lot of distance around. Lot many things around. Wide means a whole place, a bigger area I can see by sitting up in a swing and going up in the air, over the wall, over the roof. From there I can see so wide. Rivers and trees, what I can see there? When I go up in the swing, rivers and trees, I can see cattle, the animals, which eat generally grass, and all over the countryside. Countryside means what? Total area which is filled with green fields, greenery everywhere. Our village area is generally called countryside. So when I go up in the swing, I can see rivers, I can see trees, I can see cattle, and all over the countryside I can see. Till I look down on the garden green. When the swing starts coming back slowly, I look down on the garden green. I can see the green garden just under my feet because the swing is coming back slowly. Down on the roof so brown, and I can see the roof, brown roof. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. When the swing, and I come back, sitting in the swing, when the swing comes down, I can see the green garden around there, down on the roof so brown. What is that roof here? Roof is nothing but the earth. Brown, generally earth is brown in color, ground is brown in color. So over that brown roof, I can see a garden, green garden. Up in the air I go again, flying again. Up in the air I go, flying again. In what way? The poet is flying here by sitting in a swing. And when the swing goes up, he also flies up in the sky. Flying up in the air, I go flying again, up in the air and down. Again up in the air and then coming back, coming down again. Going up this way, coming back again down. So everybody likes this game of swing, sitting in a swing, going up in the air, coming back, again going up, coming back. It's really an enjoyable game, the most enjoyable thing that a child can do. Okay, children, I'm going to read the poem out once again. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide. Rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. Notes and meanings are given there. You can see air so blue, the blue sky. Pleasantest means the most enjoyable thing. Cattle, animals which mainly eat grass. Countryside means village area. So, if we are able to answer this in the B bit, there are some questions given there. If we are able to answer these questions, it means that you are able to understand the poem. Okay? So, now let us see the questions there. What is the pleasantest thing that a child can do? Going up in a swing. Is the pleasantest thing a child can do. Going up in a swing. Do you like to go up in a swing? The question is for you, children. You have to answer yes or no. Yes, I like to go up in a swing. No, I don't like to go up in a swing. You can answer with either yes or no. What can you see when you go up in a swing? What can you see, children, when you go up in a swing? Rivers, trees, cattle, and all over the countryside. Rivers, trees, cattle, and all over the countryside we can see while going up in a swing. What do you see when you come down in a swing? The green garden on the brown roof. You can see green garden there when you come down in a swing. Those green gardens are nothing but green fields over the brown earth. Why do you like to go up in a swing? Because it is the most enjoyable thing, we can say. Explain the following phrases. Air so blue means what? The blue sky. Garden green means the garden which is green in color, nothing but green fields over the brown earth. Okay, like that we have to answer the question so that we understand the poem much more clearly. Now, in C, there are some words given there, you can see them. Swing, thing. In the lower classes also, you children, you have learnt such kind of words which produce the same sound even though they do not have the same spellings. What are they called? I told you already, they are called rhyming words. They are called rhyming words. Let us see, can you write the other rhyming words there? Yes, blue, do. See that there. Wall, wide countryside. Brown down. Green gain. So these are the rhyming words that you can see, you can form from the poem. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this poem. In the next class, we will be taking up the lesson 3.